time they say?
It's 2:50 a.m. and we just got done eating McDonald's and we left cream.
David Banner was there in the building tonight.
We gonna start off with the line. This
Here,
white
turn the heat
girl.
on.
Turn the heat off?
No, just down. Low.
This white girl was in the line and she gonna say
A black girl too. Her friend
it was
too.
her weed was messed up and the dude was like, this is unbelievable. And this got stuck in there.
His hand got stuck in her weed. That shit was
wait,
hilarious.
what'd she say about Johnny or Tom, whatever his name is?
Oh, TJ. TJ, okay, like, this is a white girl. She's like, TJ, he's like my ex-boyfriend or whatever, but his dick is big.
And he was like, wait, no. She was like, TJ said he gonna tint the window so we can fuck. In the car.
With the windows tinted.
She in the line talking shit, and then
Talking
she gets
all types of shit.
up to the door and denied. So she goes, they not letting me in. And then they go, why they not letting you in? And she goes, cause they said they had a previous problem with me. I ain't been to this club a day in my life, my whole life, man. Fuck this. I'm going to another club.
We going to the 90s. Oh wait, we finna go to your house. No, y'all ain't going to my house. That shit was hilarious. Like tonight was just.
And then for all the pregnant girls who be going to the club, I didn't say it. David Banner said it himself. Take your ass the fuck home.
He said, right, say how he said
Like,
it.
what the fuck you doing up in this motherfucking club? I hate that shit, you pregnant ass motherfuckers. You gonna bring your child into this place? Go home. In front of the whole
He was
club.
snapping. It was so, like, if Cream was like that every night, I would go.
That was like cream on crack.
That That was like cream on crack. Special shout out to Paris and Lauren.
And all y'all mamas and aunties and grandmas.
Oh my god. Why were we in the club? We seen like this 40-year-old lady like in the club sitting down the whole time, of course.
I knew her though.
But Gabby knew her though, like, what are you doing in the club? You're too old. This shit is hilarious. Man, what else happened? Man, it was just, but David Banner is a cool dude though. He was actually chilling with us in the party, in the crowd, hosting the party, having a good motherfucking time. Didn't worry about no damn security and all that bougie ass shit.
Y'all can get the fuck from around me, security. Cause I used to be up down here with these people who can't get in VIP. Fuck everybody in VIP.
Fuck everybody.
We had the whole club chanting, fuck VIP.
Why VIP gonna act funny though?
Stuck up on booze.
They act funny though. That's why people be up in Aqua, cause. But
it's 2:54 a.m.
For all y'all who went to Visage at that weak ass ice cream party and I don't know, the line of Aqua was thick. I don't know how Aqua was, but y'all definitely missed out. Should have been at Cream tonight.
Should have been there.
All the hottest people in the Twin City were there. I don't know. Signing out.
2:54 a.m. Peace.
I'ma go harder than Ye Cole.